Yo guys, welcome to Radhu's Food Court and Vlogs. You must be enjoying all the dishes that have been posted in the channel. As the channel name says, this is Radhu's Food Court and Vlogs. So occasionally we are also trying to come up with some videos which are outside of food cooking. So for a change, this video is going to cover a memorable trip that we had to the USA 3 years back in 2017. So this particular section is about the New York. We are covering New York. Come, let me show you what all places we covered in New York. First is Corning Museum of Glass. As the name says, it is located in Corning, New York. It was founded in 1951. And would you believe it has a collection of over 50,000 different glass objects. Some are over 1,000 or 2,000 years old. And these are some of the pictures that we took inside the museum. Come, let's see how a glimpse of how they make glass.
里面加了铁的金属氧化物就变绿色，如果是蓝色呢是钴，如果最贵呢是粉红色的，就是紫红色，里面加的是氯化金。
This time they started around the lip and then they're working their way down. We call that a lip wrap. And anytime you see a glass wrapped around the lip like that, you know it's handmade. That's something a machine cannot do.
好，我们可以看到等于刚才呢汲取另外颜色的玻璃呢，然后混在它的外圈做装饰，让任何玻璃只要加上外圈或加上外圈这种玻璃呢，一定是手工的，机器不可能这样做。
It pretty much has all.
So that's how to make the glass. It was a good experience. So just a quick picture outside the museum. Next is the Statue of Liberty. It is located in New York Harbor. It is famously known as gift from France to USA. And this, as you know, is one of the most iconic sculptures in the world. Just a few pictures that we took at the spot. A quick boat ride around the Statue of Liberty. So next is a short video around this place. And next is one of my most favorite places, the Niagara Falls. It is called one of the natural wonders of the world. It is one of the most beautiful scenery they can ever see in life. These are some of the pictures that we took around Niagara Falls. And the lighting, the beauty about this is the lighting. The color of the lighting changes as the later half of the day comes through. As you can see, the light color changes from orange to red to different other colors. Next is also one of my favorites. This is called the Maid of the Mist, which is a boat tour taken around the Niagara Falls. So we were preparing ourselves for the wonderful boat ride around Niagara Falls. So usually they give us this coat, raincoat kind of a thing for each and every people that are taking the boat ride. So at this point of time, trust me, I was a bit nervous about usually they gave us a warning that we get wet a little bit, but it is worth the ride. So here, let's show you the ride. Next is the Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge is actually a cable style of bridge. As you know, it connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. It is said to be one of the oldest suspension bridges. So we took some snapshots in Brooklyn Bridge. So these photos came out very well, and we really enjoyed the walk on top of the Brooklyn Bridge. Next, we had a casual stroll or walk around the streets of New York. So as you know, it's a very happening and busy place, always buzzing with a lot of people around and lights around. So we had a wonderful time in the streets of New York. Next is the world famous Madame Tussauds. Here you can see we took some cool pictures, the statues of Prince William and Kate, Ed Sheeran, to the Obamas, Shahrukh, Aishwarya Rai, then Big B, Hrithik, Rihanna, the famous pop singer, Johnny Depp of Hollywood, Susan, again of Hollywood fame, and Jennifer, as you all know. So yeah, we had a wonderful time. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the photos and the videos. Thanks a lot.